Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Sumer Ali, and today we are discussing about our next second topic. Today I have chosen the topic name is human heart. So we are discussing about that. First of all, we are discussing the whole structure definition. You mean to say also of human heart? I am mixing to those both structure and definition to this. Okay, the human heart work like a muscular pump and keeps the blood in circulation. The human heart works or perform their works like a muscular pump. I mean to say that you I think that the pump check on the one pump when you will push the pump, so it means like that like the means how the pump is going to work. That's like a heart is also doing the same work. Okay, and the heart keeps the blood in circulation. Circulation means when the heart pumps, the blood means circulates in it goes under all the body, whole the body. Heart is located in the left side of the chest between lungs. Left side, it's a easy point. The heart is located in the left side of chest and between both lungs. Heart is a muscular organ. It's a muscular organ. Like when we close our fist मतलब इनके चेबॉय fist we mean to say that mutti means when our means when I close my one hand fist, then I then means this structure is known as a fist, and fist is like our fist heart is like our fist. Then we saw heart is like fist, which I have discussed. Heart is conical in shape and reddish brown in color, also saw in figure. Which figure is means mentioned here? Heart is like that, reddish brown means maroon color. Okay, now, heart is enclosed in a membrane called pericardium. Pericardium is a sac-like structure. Sac-like structure. It's a easy point. Sac I have not understand and means Sindhi language that छाके sac like mana को bag ना हुंदो आहे जीअं हुंदो आहे जंहिंमें मतिलबु you mean I mean to say that आर्मी means आर्मी जेको हूंदा आहिनि विढ़ंदा आहिनि उन्हनि जो बैग जेको न हूंदो आहे just like sac like structure is that. Now pericardium it is divided into two parts are as follows: fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. Now fibrous pericardium, it is a outer part. Now the fibrous pericardium is outer part of heart. Okay, and serous pericardium, it is the inner part, and now we are describing it briefly. It is the inner part. Okay, and fibrous pericardium, it is the outer part, and serous pericardium, it is inner part, and now we are describing it briefly. That serous pericardium are divided into two parts are as under: parietal pericardium and visceral pericardium. Okay, now visceral part is attached to the heart. Visceral part is directly attached to the heart, but in these have a space. Now in these both parietal pericardium and visceral pericardium, okay, there's a gap, there's a space between them, and in this space there is a fluid is present. Fluid like means material is present, known as pericardial fluid, which help in means when this fluid is present, the heart means works easily. If this fluid is not present, then our work means there is a friction is produced. The हेठ अने वो functions में लिखियल आहे. There is also present in functions. That what's a function. Okay, now I am giving you the example. The best example is that when the means in में fluid में तुम्हें ॿुधायां थोरो I am giving you the example in Sindhi language. Like that when we are noticing, अगर असां notice कयूं त असांजो मतिलबु हिकु दरवाज़ो आहे, को बि दरवाज़ो डोर चई था सघूं इंग्लिश में. डोर मतलब केमा डोर खे प्रॉब्लम थी पवंदी आहे, उनमें फ्रिक्शन पैदा थींदी आहे, मतलब ॾुखियाई सां मतलब खुलंदो आहे या बंदि थींदो आहे. वाई बिकॉज देयर इज़ आफ्टर दैट वी असां जेको आहे उनमें थोरो सो लिटिल क्वांटिटी में असां ऑयल विझंदा आहियूं, त उन खां पोइ उनखे फ्रिक्शन पैदा न थींदो आहे, रिलैक्सली आराम सां इहो खुली वेंदो आहे डोर. Like that our heart is also like that. There's a fluid is present. Fluid helps to work properly. When the fluid is not present in our these spaces, so our heart works like improperly, and there is a friction can be produced, okay, in it. Now we are going to our next functions. Pericardial fluid lubricates heart. Now lubricates heart, helping pumping to heart. This pericardial fluid help heart in pumping to the heart. This fluid help, which I have said to you that it help to pump the heart easily. Then after that, second is when fluid is inserted in it, there will be no friction in it. Mata ke pera buddha, I have also described it early that friction will be not produced, okay, there when the fluid is present in it. Then after that, the heart walls. Now we are coming to our snacks. Heart walls. Heart is composed of three walls: epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium, okay. Now we are describing it because my nature is that when I means describe my presentation, so I make it very deeply, okay. So these are three parts of heart walls. Now firstly is epicardium. What do you mean by epicardium? Epicardium, it is the outer layer, it is a outer layer of heart, okay, but it is a thin layer, not it is a thick layer, because in outer layer is a thin layer. And function, now functions are, it makes outer portion of heart, outer portion of heart makes epicardium and also protected by this epicardium makes the outer portion of heart and also protected. Now number second is that myocardium, it is a muscular layer, it is a muscular layer by which it is a muscular layer by but it is a thick layer. Our heart pumps with the help of myocardium. It is a muscular layer, means it makes the muscles of the heart, but it is a thick layer. Thick layer means it is a inner side, it is a it makes a thick layer. Our heart pumps with the help of myocardium. It is an easy point that our heart pumps with the help of myocardium. Now number third is that endocardium. Endocardium, it is a inner layer, it is a inner layer, it's a easy या अंदरी layer हुंदी आहे, सिंधी में इहो चवंदा आहियूं, of heart. It is the inner layer of heart wall. Our heart wall, the inner layer is called as endocardium, and epithelium tissues are present. Now what you mean by epithelium? It's a easy. Epithelium means widespread throughout body, widespread tissue throughout the body. In Sindhi we can say that घणा ई फैलियल जेके टिश्यूज़ न हूंदा आहिनि बॉडी में उहे. Now to our body, they cover all the body surfaces. Yes, epithelium इनखे चइबो आहे जेकी स्किन हूंदी आहे, epithelium, because it covers our whole body. Skin is a epithelium, okay. Heart is also epithelium, means epithelium tissues are present in it, okay. Now number third topic is our chambers of heart. There are four chambers of heart, are as follows, are as given below, okay. Now you can also read from that: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, okay. Now you can we are describing in here, there is written as all the theory, but I wanted to show you in the diagram of heart, okay. This is a diagram of heart. Right atrium, here is it, right atrium, this is a right atrium, okay. Left atrium, now left atrium, this is a left atrium, okay. Right ventricle, this is a right ventricle, And now left ventricle, this is a left ventricle. Now we are going to read the theory of these. Okay, if we compare atrium to ventricle, if we compare atrium, both right atrium, left atrium, and also a ventricle, right ventricle, left ventricle, then if we compare atrium to ventricle, then we will notice, then we saw that atria is smaller. Okay, you can also saw from above diagram, which I have also show you that just a minute mata agar dikha rahe ho hum, atria is smaller and ventricle is larger in size. Okay, but when we talk about the walls of atria, their walls are thin, less. You can also saw from the figure, above figure. Okay, so walls, you can also saw the walls are thin. These are walls, yellowish. These are thin. And ventricle, and in ventricle there the walls are very thick. These are walls. Okay, these are very thick. Okay. But when we talk about the walls of atria, their walls are thin, less muscular than atria. Okay. Then ventricle, then atria receives blood from body. These atrias are receiving blood from our body, whole our body. Okay, now in our heart there are two larger veins. R is given under, R is given as follows. Okay, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. There is also mentioned in our above diagram. You can also saw superior, no there, where is it, superior vena cava, here is it. And yeah, yes, this is a superior vena cava and this is our inferior vena cava. Okay, now we are describing as under. Now if we describe these both veins, these are both are veins. Okay, from where our blood is means as such blood matlab in ma insert pitin hua bar kharaj pitin hua. Okay, then these two veins carry deoxygenated blood, but these two veins are carry deoxygenated blood. What do you mean by the deoxygenated blood? The deoxygenated blood means those blood whose concentration of an oxygen is less. मतलब जेम concentration oxygen जी घट हो जाए. Okay, these both veins carry deoxygenated blood to the right atrium to ventricle. To the right atrium to the ventricle, these both atrium were carry deoxygenated blood. Then further it goes through ventricle to the lungs. Then further it goes through ventricle to the lungs. From ventricle, okay, from which we have right atrium to ventricle, then the work of ventricle will be started. Then the ventricle further goes means further supply the blood to the lungs, and arteria are receiving blood, and arteria receiving blood. Okay, मतलब receive current blood के deoxygenate receiving blood के which blood deoxygenated. Left atrium are receiving blood from lungs. Okay, and left atrium are receiving blood from lungs. So we have described the whole structure and definition of also our heart. So inshallah we will continue our third topic tomorrow. Thank you very much. Please guide read it or hold the topic and